Hey go hi lovers, in this video we'll be discussing about an amazing tool that is called personalize images tools. As by the name you can also imagine the functionalities, but we have to dive in, install it and check on what value is being provided by it. We are right now on our agency level and we have to find for the app marketplace. Here it is in the navigation bar and search on. Here it is. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose a more. If you choose a more, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But right now we'll be just using our specific sub account is this one. Continue with that. And in a moment it will be installed. Here we go. Let's just move forward towards our sub account. As you can see from here as well, find for the sub account. Here we are in our sub account level and we have to head towards the workflow builder towards through the automations. From here you can find it in the navigation bar. Let's just create a new workflow. Here we are in our workflow builder again. As you can see, we have already created a workflow for you, and in this one somebody is interested in our scenario and he has filled the form through words from LinkedIn. As you can see in the top, we have entered the trigger for the form, and after that we have just placed our action create image from the personalized images tools. We are using the template for level of marketplace. I have already created the template, and from here I have chosen this one. From the custom values I have entered the name, the first name and the last name, and in the notes we will be using the URL of that image just to see what are the results basically from here. Create image and the image URL. And in the bottom, we have placed a condition that the interested lead has subscribed to the newsletter or not. If yes, he or she will be just receiving this internal or external email from here. Let's just test this one. And from here, as you can see, the image has been executed successfully with the notes. What's inside the notes? Let's see. Here we are on our sub account level, and we will be checking out what's inside the notes. In the contact section, you can find for the notes from here, and here is the image URL. We have used this template to send him as an image, basically. Let's move on towards the next workflow. So as you can see, we have created this workflow using the trigger in the top that somebody has filled the form for the gym that is interested to be a customer of that specific gym, and the gym has got some surprises for their customers on the new year for the first weeks. And let's see how the gym operates this poll. We will be using these two actions, image blur effect and image conversion. In the image blur effect, you can just basically action name the image URL you want to use, the surprise discount the gym wants to offer to the client or customer, and the blur value as well. You can just increase or decrease the blur value of the image basically. So after saving this the image conversion does that you can just change the type of that image from PNG to JPG or the GIF as well. After saving this one, we have entered the notes. In this one, we have used the custom values from here for the both of actions, the URL from here, and for this one, the URL from here. Save this one. Let's just forget it. In the end, we have just entered a condition that if the customer or client is really loyal and has got other guts to join the gym, we will be sending this email to him or she or her, basically. From here, we will be entering the custom values of the name, the email, the subject, and we can use the templates from here as well. And after that, we will be using the same. We can just enter the text from here, and this is the same URL as well. From here, we can just test, run it, head towards the execution logs. And as you can see, both of them are going to be executed successfully from here. As you can see, the blur effect, the conversion, and let's see what's inside the nodes. What are the results basically? Back into the sub-account level in the contact section to just find on what's inside the nodes. Here is the blurred image of the contract. That is the surprise for the customer. You can just increase or decrease, as I've already mentioned. You can just change the type from PNG to JPEG. That cannot be seen in the results from here. You can just see by yourself. Let's move on towards the other workflow. In the next step, we will be just using the previous workflow and to try to connect this workflow to that as well. In this one, the customer has filled the form, and after that, we will be using this action act test on the image, and we will be using the same image for the discount value of that membership. From here, after that, we can just resize the image from the personalized images tools as well. We can just use the sizes from here with the same URL, save this action, create some nodes using the custom values. I have already entered the URL of that image on which we have added the text. After that, we will be entering some conditions accordingly to the situations. You can just use these conditions, and if the customer is applicated and he is qualified for the discount, we can just send him with the email, him or her. Using the custom values, we are using the same scenario as we have shown before to you. And let's just test this one. Head towards the execution logs from here. With the resizing is also executed with the text on the image with the nodes. And let's just find out what's inside the nodes from here as well. In the contact section, find for the nodes. Here is the surprise given by the JIG to the customer that you have got the discount value. You can also just use the contract, and you can just mention the discount value of the membership on 2025 to the customer, and this is how it works. So basically, these kind of actions work seamlessly, and you can just use endless ideas with these kind of actions, and you use these kind of actions into your automations. So that's how it works. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much.